Next we will do female urinogenital system. In this case, excretory system is same as we did in case of male rat, but in female rat we have one difference here. As I already mentioned that in case of female rat, the opening or the structure which carries the excretory product and reproductive product are different. Like you saw in the case of male rat, urethra was responsible for carrying the urine as well as the products, that is semen. But in this case, you have urethra which is different, or which is different structure which carries only urine. For reproductive structures, we have a different tube-like structure. Before we start, few things are common as we did in case of pigeon and uromastics. In pigeon, which we did yesterday, we had only single ovary, but in this case we have two ovaries and two oviducts. Now each oviduct is not attached to the ovary. हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, ovary that lays suspended or that lays attached to the body wall, and as I have already told, the peritoneum which attach ovary to the body wall is termed as mesovarium. Fine. Then we have oviduct. This is one oviduct, this is second oviduct, and each oviduct in turn is divided into three parts. First is fallopian tube, then you have uterus, then you have vagina, and then finally it leads into vulva. Fallopian tube is that part of the oviduct which has a broad funnel like structure and has lot of cilia, so in order to attract the egg, once the egg enters the fallopian tube, it passes through uterus and then it goes through vagina. Both the uterus they combine to form a single structure which is termed as vagina. Now in our case we have single uterus, but in case of rat you can see here you have two uterus, one and one this. Then they combine to form vagina, and then vagina opens out by a vulva. One thing that should be very clear to you is that urethra opens and the opening of vulva lies at the middle of the opening of urethra and anus. That means urethra is going to carry only the excretory product and vulva is going to carry only reproductive